Good morning, class. Uh, Today we will discuss another river system of India, that is Brahmaputra. Brahmaputra is the eastern India river, and it generally having its origin in Tibet. From Mansarovar Lake is comes and it enters into Indian subcontinent region, or Indian, you can say, part, that is Arunachal Pradesh. So let's see. So Brahmaputra rises from in Tibet, east of Mansarovar Lake, very close to the source of Indus and Satluj. And the Satluj. Satluj again the tributary of Indus, but here, because the main part of Satluj is in India, that is in Himachal Pradesh, and the main dam, that is Bhakra Nangal Dam, is situated on this river. So that's why Indus and Satluj is separately written, and it is slightly longer than the Indus. When we talk about Brahmaputra, the length is more than Indus of Brahmaputra. The most of its course lies outside of India, and it flows easternward parallel to Himalayas. On reaching the Namcha Barwa, today I'll send you the picture. What is Namcha Barwa? Namcha Barwa is one of the pass that is, like, when we talk about this region of Arunachal Pradesh. So when this Brahmaputra river turn to here, particularly this Namcha Barwa is, when you see in the map the location, this is Namcha Barwa, is take U-turn and enter in Arunachal Pradesh, like this. So from Namcha Barwa, that is of 7,757 meter high, and it take U-turn from there. And U-turn, as I told you, U-turn from India, it take turns, and it takes U-turn and enters India in Arunachal Pradesh through the gorge. Gorge, you understand, because previously we have discussed that the river flows when deep valleys, or you can say high mountain, that is they make the gorges. So from the gorge it move, and here it is called Divang, and it's joined by Divang. You can see that a river particularly known by the different name, as we have seen in Ganga, from Bhagirathi to Meghna, it got different name. The reason behind the local people, and you can say the reason particularly when it is flowing, their names are given by the people to the river. So same with Brahmaputra, it's having different name of it, like Dhiang it is called here, and after it's joined by Dibang is the same tributary of Brahmaputra, and Lohit and many other tributaries of Brahmaputra in Assam. Means they're the part of it, but regionally, and they are known by the different name in the region. So Brahmaputra is known Sangpo in Tibet. If you see that the name of Brahmaputra, because in India the name is Brahmaputra, when we talk about in Tibet, so the name of it Sangpo, and Jamuna in Bangladesh. So you can see and understand locally the people give different name. Now Jamuna, you can be confused, because in northern India Yamuna is known by the name of Jamuna. So maybe in history it could happen, because in British time the people were sent to, you can say, as in a punishment or in the bonded labor, one to another place. So wherever they got the river system, they start calling the name of their by the own river. ठीक है, पानी मतलब नाम लेने से मतलब है, नाम देने से मतलब है, वो कैसे भी किसी को कुछ भी पुकार सकते थे, मतलब अपने रीजन की याद के लिए उन्होंने ये नाम दिया होगा. तो till that the time this name is continued with of the river Brahmaputra, so it is known Jamuna there by this name. So when it's let's begin with this journey. What happens when it comes in India? The one strange thing is that when it is in Tibet, when we talk about is in Tibet, so what happened? It is dry river. It is dry river, but when it enters in India, it enters in India, automatically the volume of water increases. The reason behind that particular reason come under the evergreen forest. This is Assam and Assam. So it is the foothills, or you can say eastern Himalayas. And eastern Himalayas, automatically the moisture laden winds when strike to these ranges, and rainfall take place, and Himalayan region is also there. So the volume of water increase in this river. That's why it sometimes become the cause of flood in Bangladesh. So in Tibet, the river carries a smaller volume of water and less silts as cold and dry area. मतलब जब ये तिब्बत में होती है तो इसका कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, ये एक सूखी नदी के जैसी है. बट इन इंडिया इट पासेस थ्रू द रीजन ऑफ हाई रेनफॉल. लेकिन जब इंडिया में एंटर करती है तो इसका जो फ्लोइंग कोर्स है वो कैसा है, रीजन ऑफ हाई रेनफॉल है. हियर द रिवर कैरीज अ लार्ज वॉल्यूम ऑफ वाटर एंड कंसिडरेबल अमाउंट ऑफ सिल्ट. बिकॉज वॉल्यूम बढ़ जाता है पानी का तो इरोजनल एक्टिविटी विल बी टेकन प्लेस. ठीक है, थोड़ा बहुत होंगी और साथ साथ क्या लाएगी अपने ये इरोडेड मटेरियल लेके आएगी, और सिल्ट मतलब उसमें पत्थर कंकड़ सब होंगे. ठीक है. द ब्रह्मपुत्र हैज ब्रेडेड चैनल्स एंड इट्स एंटायर लेंथ ऑफ आसाम एंड फॉर्म मेनी रिवराइन आइलैंड. दूसरा एक चीज क्या होता है, ये ब्रेडेड चैनल. अब ब्रेडेड चैनल क्या होता है, सपोज द रिवर इज फ्लोइंग, ये रिवर फ्लो कर रही है तो ये डिफरेंट चैनल्स में बढ़ती जाती है ऐसे, क्योंकि प्लेटोइक रीजन में तो ये आपका ये चैनल क्रिएट हो जाते हैं. दिस टू बी कॉल ब्रेडेड चैनल. ठीक है, लाइक दिस. सो आसाम एंड फॉर्म्स मैनी रिवराइन आइलैंड्स. यहाँ पर ये क्या करती है, इट फॉर्म्स रिवर, मतलब एक आइलैंड्स के जैसे भी यहाँ पर हैं, जो जिसमें मिजौली एक आइलैंड है, इट्स वेरी फेमस और उस पे लोग रहते भी हैं. सो द एंटायर लेंथ ऑफ आसाम एंड फॉर्म मैनी रिवराइन आइलैंड्स. डू यू रिमेंबर द वर्ल्ड लार्जेस्ट रिवराइन आइलैंड फॉर्म्ड बाय ब्रह्मपुत्र? तो यहाँ मिजौली, मिजौली इज वन ऑफ द नेम, that is Macaulay. Macaulay is one of the name that is formed by this river. So everywhere during the rainy season the river overflows its bank. मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा फ्लड आती है और ये अपने बैंक को, अपने किनारों को तोड़कर बहती है, एंड causes the widespread devastation due to the flood in Assam. और आसाम में कभी कभी क्या है, इससे बाढ़ भी आती है, फ्लड आ जाती है, डिवास्टेशन, डिस्ट्रक्शन करती है. एंड इन बांग्लादेश, अनलाइक अदर नॉर्दर्न रिवर्स, ब्रह्मपुत्र इज मार्क्ड बाय ह्यूज डिपॉजिट्स ऑफ सिल्क ऑन इट्स बेड्स, causing the river bed to rise. मतलब दूसरी नदियों के जैसे नहीं, ये क्या, नॉर्दर्न रिवर्स जो हैं, ब्रह्मपुत्र इज मार्क्ड बाय द ह्यूज डिपॉजिट्स of silts on its bed, causing the river bed to rise, and the river also shifts its channel frequently. मतलब ये नहीं है कि ये वहीं पर ही है और ये अपने चैनल्स बदलती रहती है. इसको ब्रेडेड चैनल जो हमने बताया, मतलब जहाँ भी इसको फ्लो मिलता है वहीं फ्लो करना शुरू कर देती है. ठीक है, तो ये अपने चैनल फ्रिक्वेंटली चेंज करती है, शिफ्ट कर देती है. तो दिस वाज ऑल अबाउट द ब्रह्मपुत्र रिवर. Take the reading of, try to understand the topic. Thank you.